Oh. Boom, 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 boom. Damn. Good morning, Marie. Good morning, good morning. Man, this is the chop zone today. Super choppy. And I'm just pulling up a couple things. I mean, yeah, because Jimmy Carter passed, they closed the market anytime a president passes for the day. So tomorrow there is no trading. I think it closes actually at like 8:30 in the morning. 8:30 or 9:30 in the morning, and then it reopens at 5 or 6. Bro, what's going on, T-Trades? Yeah, so I think that's what the deal is. 8 or 9:30 in the morning, and then it reopens. I would think it reopens at 6. Because that's what the time it reopens every day. So that's probably what I'm guessing. Yo, what up? Dude, I copied. Yo, those accounts that were down yesterday, I copy traded them and just tore it the fuck up. What up, Base? What up? What up? I got this one account that's giving me problems today. Yo, free chop, baby. Free chop. Yeah. I don't even know what to make of it, to be honest with you. Oh, you know what I didn't? Hold on. You know what I didn't do? I was enabling sounds on the screen. Volatility is crazy, but it's kind of not my. I'll tell you what, though. We talked about this. When you go past the 15-minute and then you trade back in, right there was a perfect trade. and then we swept the 15-minute here. I actually took that. You could see. You sweep the 15 and come right back in. Oh, Marie. Well, I mean, that's good. Yeah, they usually. I usually get smoked on days like this. You know what's awesome though? I decided to trade. I decided to trade my AMP account last night and today actually. I'm up 353 in my personal trading account, which is a nice day. So yeah, London will be open tonight, and then you just have dude, it just keeps going. I mean, I don't know if they're hedging for tomorrow. I mean, I've called it and said January was going to be. I thought we were going to dip January, February, possibly March, just kind of get like a 3 month kind of slow sell off, is what I was looking for. I don't know if that's what we're going to get, but that's kind of what I was looking for. Do I scalp the 34 here? I thought we were going to dump, and I actually got stopped out at the top on a small ass position from here. I had it too because after they swept me out, we're right in the trading range too. I mean, see what you have here is like this is a 15-minute chart. You got this long bear flag. You broke it. If we then pick back up and go over probably 400, I would say it's looking really, really good to the upside. You know, that would probably be my change in thought is over 400. You kind of broken the bear flag. You got your dip. Now you got a double bottom, and then you probably bring it back up. I like to look at the higher time frames to see what's going on. But until we do that, I'm kind of bearish. Boom. You know what I could do tomorrow? Dude, that's what I could do tomorrow. I got a great idea. Here we go. I'm gonna do a poll. Here we go. It's the perfect day if you want me to go over options because everybody's usually around this time. And I can do it usually like last one I did was on Saturday. Oh, this just inverted. Oh, fuck. I didn't realize we were at 300. That's not great. That's not great at all. Fuck me. I didn't even realize. I wasn't paying attention. I was making the poll. I just kind of saw it sell through a fair value gap and jumped in. I didn't realize where we were price wise. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like I'm going to get stopped out right here. I feel it. I feel like if we weren't at 300, it would have dipped already. We still got some room. Still got room to push. I just don't feel confident in it. Come on, dump it for daddy. Give me that big ass red candle. I might get out. I'm actually out 25. The only reason I'm out is it's probably going to hold 300. I didn't realize that before I entered the position. Yo, what up, Michael? Hold it to 2. Dude, I think we're going to dump. I do think we're going to dump. Kind of what we were talking about yesterday, remember? Yo, market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Oh, man, dude, you ain't kidding. This is like the worst price action. This is just the chop. I do think overall we're gonna sell off. I just want to see it under. I want to see it get under 3. I don't like that stochastics are coming down, but the price is not really coming down. Come on, push it. Oh, that was a nice. Come on, we want continuation. See, this is the 1 minute that I was talking about. Fuck me, man. Is that the bottom of the 15-minute? That is the bottom of the 15-minute orb. Nope. Nah. How do I get the 15-minute orb on this fucking chart? YOLO! I want to get the 15. How would I go about doing that? I guess I just do 2. Can I do 2 of these things? Can you do 2 of the same things? I do have 2 of the same things. baby. I did set it up. I want to get rid of this other thing that I got, this other middle. Okay. Oh, that's so much fucking cleaner now. I got one trade left in me. $800 drawdown. Yeah, well, I got two of them. So I have the hourly and the 15. That's really what I trade mostly. So what's crazy is I'm up. I only traded one of these accounts. I'm up these accounts. I'm up in my personal account $350. I'm up. I passed two Bullnox accounts today. I'm doing well everywhere except everything this one account touches. Everything this one account touches. That's it. Every single one of the other accounts. I have never traded London markets. What time do they open? I think it's like, what is it, 3? What time is London session? 3 a.m., I think. Yeah, so it starts at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. London starts. You know, I think technically London is done by what, like 6 or 7, even though it does go further. I guess London is up until, it says noon, but you know how they have like AM and PM sessions? I think the big London session's like 3 a.m. to 6. I bet if you full port, you can blow the account. I'm pretty with you on that. I could definitely blow the account really fast. I have no doubt in my mind that I can blow this. But can I get it back green today is the question. Dude, personally, this is like, this is some chop. Oh, yeah, so 7. That makes sense. It took a lot of experience. Yeah. Dude, I've blown a lot of accounts, man. Lot of accounts. But yeah, the first London session. Yo, what up, Sean? It'd be so cool if we swept above and came back down. I will say, adding the 15 short the little. I'm not. I think we're going to trade back up into this area. Let's see if I can get a little bounce off. This might be it for the account. All right, I just got $355. Woo! Oh, we getting it back. We getting it back, boys. That was a good one right there. That was the hit we needed. That was the hit to give me the more drawdown. I will get this back today. Man. Oh, this is like the worst chop. I mean, I'll get it back. I'll get it back or the account's gone. I can tell you that. One or the other. We're back or the account's gone. No middle ground here. I expected, honestly, I thought we would have sold off today. I thought we would have sold off today. Yo, what up, Jay Stores? What up, what up? Just freaking trying to survive the chop. The chop is real. The chop is definitely real. I mean, yeah. Yo, what caused that at 6 a.m.? What actually caused the drop early in the morning? Was there like news out, or was it like the dollar was up? Like what caused the dump? What was crazy was I was up going to the gym and I played this bounce right here. That's how I got all this $400 in all these 5 accounts. I copy traded this bounce in here too. This and all of this is literally this bounce. Other than that, there hasn't been there hasn't been great setups. I'm not looking. It's just not great. We had euro numbers and mortgages came out at 7 a.m. Yeah, this was before. You know what else is nice? That's live trading money in my AMP account. Today was a good day. 353. Every 1,000 I pull money out. Every 1,000 or whatever it is at the end of the week, the week is 1,500, 2,000. I'll pull out on Friday. I'm not looking to probably trade any more live money unless we get a really good setup here, because this shit's kind of eh. I mean, when knowing not to trade is also a trade, to be honest. I want to grab another payout this week, though. And to be honest, if the price action stays like this, I'm probably not going to be able to get a payout. Because we have no market tomorrow. No market tomorrow. I'm willing to do the options thing if you guys want to do that. I'm in. It's kind of up to you guys. If we get enough yeses, I'll come on either, maybe we'll do 10:30 or whatnot. Yo, what up, Dora? What up, what up? You got a little cup and handle right here, though. Look, cup, little handle. I guess if you break 70 action, it's kind of just riding this trend. Do I dare take one? This is risky as fuck because it hasn't even confirmed yet. $125. Told you I'm chipping away at this. Oh, 150. My bad. I told you I'm going green. This account's going green by the end of the day. I just pray we get some decent setups here. This is an eval, so just mind that about my level of confidence. This is an eval. It's risky as fuck. Basically, I'm just saying, hey, we're going to keep following the trend up. We'll stay above the 200, the 34, and VWAP. Who the fuck did you hack? Dude, what are you talking about? I saw your comment. I have no idea what you're talking about. $904. You commented on something that said, "Who did I hack?" I have no idea what you even mean, my man. Yeah, I'm just taking chip shots. That's all you could really do right now. Corey, I'll be honest with you. If you're up $120 in a funded account and the price action looks like this, I probably just stick with it and say I'm done for the day. Because this is pretty shit action. Unless we get a better setup, I am probably not trading any funded accounts except for this one to scalp back up. But I'm not going to risk any of my good accounts for price action like this. I'm still wondering who I hacked. I don't know what that meant. Who I hacked. Does anybody understand that? Who I hacked? Am I just not reading it right? Well, he commented on my video from yesterday the same thing. So I was just wondering I don't even know what he means. Boom. I wouldn't even short this, to be honest. You kind of oversold already on the 1. I might just play the ranges. Honestly, I'm probably just going to look to buy down here. Darrell's nutsack. Yeah, I don't know. Fucking weird people, man. Weird people. I'm just going to try playing the ranges. Yo, I should actually add that on this chart. Right? What is that called? What did I call it anyways? It's called Tiki opening range. Yo, I will say, yo, the orbs have been great today, man. They've been amazing today. Haters everywhere. Dude, it is what it is. Honestly, I've already taken 3 payouts in 2025. I think I'm up $7,800 trading options in 2025. Like, I'm good, man. I'm good. I made well enough money so far this year. Another YouTube hope trader. I make her come. Bro. That has to be Darrell's nutsack, right? Tell me that's Darrell's nutsack. Oh, yeah, Corey. Yeah. And what's crazy is, like, we're having these massive down days. I'm not really losing much money. Like, I'm not giving back. I haven't given back a lot of the money on these big red days. Oh, dude, my kid's doing better. Thanks, man. But his throw up is still in my truck. I smell it, even though I cleaned it. Yes, I switched between accounts. That's awesome. Yo, he threw up 4 times in my truck. His last words were, "Dad, what happens if I throw up in your truck?" Hey, man, if you got to do it, you got to do it. And then I just heard water pouring out of his mouth. It was just like, bleh, 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 and I was like, oh, fuck, I'm going to need to clean that up. Yo, it looked like the NQ yesterday, just freaking yakking. The best part about it is after I kept hearing him throw up, I was in my head, I was like, it can't be that bad. So I pulled over to the side of the road. And I was like, dude, like, let's get out and throw up on the street. So I turn around. Dude, he's got it like all over his chest, all over his pants, all over my seat. It's on the floor already. And I'm like, dude, we're just going to go home. Like, we're not even going to try getting it out of the car right now. Just if you throw up more, you throw up more. Like, we've already hit that point. And then I went outside and cleaned it all up. And then that was pretty much it. I mean, it was rough though. He's like a weird throw up guy though. He Like, so then he didn't, after he threw up, like usually you just kind of hang out. Like the kid was within an hour, like, I'm hungry. So he was just eating a bunch of shit and then never threw up again until the following day in the morning. It was just bizarre. Wait. What the fuck? I have too many of these things on here. So I got one up here and one down there. So I go this one, get rid of that. I obviously fucked this up. I don't know why I didn't add this. By the way, if you just played it again, it's another awesome trade. Look at that, right off the 15-minute orb again. Yeah, damage was done already. Damage was done. That's what I hear. A lot of people are getting the stomach virus. Lot of people getting it. It is what it is, man, you know? Everyone gets it. See, so like if you played the bounce, you'd have been 2 for 2. So if you lose the next one, 2 for 3. Actually, you'd be, you know, if you took it every time, you would have been 1, 2, 3, 3 for 4. I like when we sweep. I like this, where you sweep above and then you come back in. That new upholstery money. Yo, I got leather seats, man. I wiped it out, but you see those little fucking dots? I know that I know he got that juice in there, man. Yeah, you had something on Saturday. I'm so glad I didn't get sick from him. Bartolo, I want to thank you for the suggestion not to copy trade. I did great. Follows your suggestion with my take profit and stop loss. All my 3 accounts are in good profit. Okay. Dude, profit, like I said, copy trading is a gift and a curse. Like I copy traded these 5 accounts, right? Actually, this account also. I copy traded 6 accounts. I could have been all red today or all green. So, oh, Keeson, I owe you, man. I didn't forget. I had to run out to a lacrosse clinic with my kid yesterday, and then from there I went to basketball. So I had a crazy freaking night. I didn't get home. Then I had to put my kid to bed. By the time I was done, it was 9:30 at night. And I was like, I'm not even getting on the computer. But yeah, Bartolo, wait until you get a couple payouts. And then once you get in a couple payouts, you could start copy trading. Like I would start copy trading like 2 accounts. And then if 2 accounts is doing good, you go to 3 accounts. You know, it's not until you're consistent that you can rip. Like I ripped 6 accounts today. But I would never do all my accounts. Like that's just freaking crazy. Yo, what up? What up, Joseph? Only down $30 an account times 19. See, Joseph, do you copy trade all 19 at once? You're copy trading all of them, right? Yo, what up, Lee? I also traded personal money today as well. I'm up 353 in my my AMP personal account, which is nice. Okay, yeah. Hey, man, I agree, man. You should treat them like they're all funded accounts. You know, no reason not to. I agree, though. Yeah, Keysland, I got a lot of family running around to do outside of what you guys see. Like when we end, like today, once we end, I gotta do dinner with the kids, and then I have basketball from 6 to 7 o'clock tonight. I'm running around, man. I'm definitely running around a lot. I like it, but it's definitely a lot of running around. I'm way too much of a degenerate to copy more than 2 or 3 max. Well, at least you're acknowledging, like, Michael, like, you're not just like, no, man, it's all good. And then you just blowing accounts, copy trading, 18 of them. I don't think I'm going to trade my live money anymore today. I think my personal money account up good enough, and I'm probably out on that. So what's crazy is I have an indicator that kind of shows me the bias, and you can see it right here, how many times we're flipping long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. Like that is a crazy amount of times. Oh, any news today? Yeah, didn't we have jobless claims today? Jobs were out today at some point, right? And then somebody said Euro mortgages were out today as well. The hour of power. T-trades, I'll be honest, man, this is just chop. Maybe they pop it back up. Little flag here. We break, we go back up to like 84. We dipped, flag it, and then go up. That'd be a solid move, right? If we get it. The bias is definitely chopped. Wait, FOMC meetings later today? Oh, you're going to make me look? Let's see, bull breakers. Oh, it's just the minutes? Yeah, it's the minutes. Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. The minutes you might still get a move. I think it's considered a red folder event. I don't think it's going to slam it like one way or the other huge, but you might get 30, 40 points. Definitely something you want to watch out for. You don't want to be in a trade. Yeah, it'll definitely still move it, man. I wouldn't want to be sitting in a funded account knowing the minutes are coming out. 30-year bond auction is at 1. I've seen that move the market. by the way. I've definitely seen the bond auction. All of a sudden, you just get like a 50-point drop out of nowhere. Dude, there's a lot of stuff, man, going on behind the scenes with the markets that people don't realize it. It's not good stuff either. You know, and I'm going to be honest, like when Trump comes in, he's going to talk tariffs and shit like, oh, we're getting the move. Yo, he's going to talk tariffs and shit. It's not going to be a smooth ride. You know, for you guys, like obviously, you know, I wanted Trump to come in. I thought it would be good. I'm not a political guy. I didn't even fucking vote, to be honest with you. But I did want Trump to come in. I thought it would be better for the country in general. But when he was there, man, the markets were fucking crazy. Yo, what up, Flip? The markets were crazy because he's got no filter. So, like, he would just wake up and say, hey, man, I choose to fuck with China today. And next thing you know, he's out there just like tariffs. We're going to do this. We're going to do that. You know, it was crazy.
China.
I mean, it was nutty. I don't know if you guys were trading back then. It was like 2016 to, 2020. It was wild, man. It was wild. I think overall, a lot of stuff, there's going to be a lot of deregulation. So a lot of companies are going to be able to push the envelope on pushing forward and things like that. And there's going to be a lot of mergers happening. So there's a lot of stuff within the markets that are going to be interesting while he's the president. But dude, he'll tweet some wild shit out, man. And what you'll get something like you'll drop 100 points and then all of a sudden you come back 100 points. And you're like, you got stopped out and then you're like, oh, let me short it. And then it came back up and just tore you a new one. Then you're like my brother trading butthole coin in crypto. I wake up, my brother's like, yo, I got 5 more butthole. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about, bro? Oh, but yeah. Yo, Michael, you don't want to be the 31st state? Yo, here's a serious question because you're in Canada. Would you want to be the 51st state or no? I have no idea what the benefits are. I'm in Canada. Trump's going to fuck his law. I mean, are you looking for the 51st state? I know your guy is leaving office, which I know everybody wanted. And I know he drove the Canadian dollar into this shithole. I do have friends in Canada. They complain about the healthcare system constantly, that some of them come to the States for stuff. And the income taxes are crazy. The income taxes in Canada is like nutty. People don't realize that. Oh, so you like the healthcare. My friends hate the healthcare. They complain about it all the time. Yeah, it's free, but they're saying how bad, like how hard it is. Like one of my friends, I guess, broken arm or a wrist, and he was bitching about how long it was taking to get it actually like looked at. Man, if they become a state, so I think the U.S. wants Canada as a state, and they're going to really put an emphasis on the minerals and a lot of the things that Canada has, if that does take place. Yeah, they tax you massively, massive taxes. My dad lives in Mexico. I don't know if you guys even know that. My dad lives in Mexico. He lives in Mexico about 10 months out of the year. You know, he comes back through the year here and there for the holidays and whatnot, but about 10 months. He's only home about 8 weeks a year. He loves Mexico, man. My dad loves Mexico. He's all the way at the bottom of the Baja. If you're ever down in the bottom of the Baja, my dad will hook you up. Go see him. Go see Ronnie. He's down there. You guys can go surfing and stuff. Mexican roots? No. I'm actually from like my grandparents are both from Spain. On my dad's side, both my parents are from a town in Spain up in the mountains. Imagine the beaches. Dude, the beaches look awesome. My dad lives down there, and my brothers have a house down there also. My brothers have a house that's about 600 yards from the beach. Yeah, they're do I speak any Spanish? I feel like an idiot when I speak Spanish because I know it's not correct. Just probably like people that speak Spanish from, you know, come and try to speak English. And that's what it sounds like. It sounds not great at all. I can get around so I got around in Costa Rica for a week. I know the basics so that I'm not going to die, but that's it. Oh, you're from SoCal, Marie? That's cool. Yeah. So my dad lives in Pescadero. I don't know if you've ever been down there. It's by Todos Santos. I'm going to take this right here, actually, for a little bounce. Come on, just give Daddy a bounce. I was up 100 and something bucks, didn't take it. There, 165. Oh, you're in LA? I'd never been to LA. I want to go to LA. Never been. I want to go to San Diego while I'm there. Yeah, I want to do a couple things. Oh, you're in North Carolina now? Are you by Cary by any chance? Cary, North Carolina? Or Raleigh? Yeah, my last California trip, we did Vegas for 2 nights. I did San Francisco for 3 nights, and then I did Napa for 2 or 3 nights. And that was my West Coast trip. Vegas was fun. Napa was amazing. I'm not a big wine drinker. I almost lived in Cary. I was very close to moving to Cary back in 2009, 2010. I dated a girl that moved up here, and she wanted to go back to Cary, and I was ready to head out, but I didn't. Dude, this is fucking chop satay. Dude, San Francisco is pretty cool. I don't know if I can live in San Francisco though. San Francisco is a little I'm going to take another shot. This is just an eval. Come on. There we go. I'm just trying to get my losses back. Yeah, the roads are tight. Ace. Yeah, rubbish price action. Yo, what up, Pine Tree? What up, what up? Yo, this price action is really bad. Really, really bad. If we come back up here, I'm shorting it. I'm just trying to scout my way back to, like, I'm up in these accounts. I'm probably going to be done trading them. Yeah, San Diego herd is good. My brother's been out there a lot. A lot. Oh, this is going to pump. If we can get over 94, I think these could really massively run. Because you basically have a double bottom here. You bear flag break, you get a double bottom, you break over. Also, the hourly chart, you have back-to-back wicks, which means you're probably going to end up going up. I just sold an AMD put. I just sold an AMD put for next week. And I just sold an MSTR 310 put for Friday. I think we might have, I don't want to say a bottom, but a near-term bottom that, we might be able to get. We might be able to get some stuff out of. Yo, what up, bangin'? What up, what up? Yo, Alfred. Trying to survive the price action. Freaking price action's crazy. I'm just looking to see anything I've owned that has dipped significantly that I might want to buy. That I might want to buy here, and I'm just I'm looking to do some shopping right now, real quick before anything gets crazy. Honestly. You know, I do think the charts are looking good to the upside. I think we're going to get some type of bounce back. So I'm just kind of looking. I'm looking to see what I've owned in the last month that I can re-grab. You know what I like is the TSM. Where's that at? Damn, they pummeled. Oh, dude, it's freaking. This might be it. I'm actually going to take a shot. Come on, break this. Break yourself. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. What I like about to the upside, honestly, if we break 70, it'll probably fucking run. I have a eval. This is an eval. What I got? 300. What is that? I need about 4,000. That gets me funded. So if we hit 433, I'm funded. There we go. If we go to 433, I have another funded account in my funded futures. So I'm just letting it ride. I'm letting it ride, baby. 433 is where I got to hit. Come on. Keep it going. Dude, get us over. Get us over. I mean, let's be real. We get over 400. We make a new high. I just feel like we're going to hit at least 430. Come on. I'm trying my funded futures out. I just got funded Friday with my funded futures 50K. I need one more day of profits to get a payout. Dude, you're going to get paid out in minutes. I get paid out. I just took a payout from them on Friday, and I got paid out in literally like 30 seconds. It had to be automated because in 30 seconds I got paid. It's the fastest I know of anybody getting paid. Michael, without a doubt, it could be. I'm not even gonna lie. Rise. Yo, just tell them you know me, man. You'll get paid out in 30 seconds. Yeah, all of a sudden, it was like, I want to say it was as instant as you can get it to be instant. I don't know what the deal was. I can tell you one thing, Michael. We go below 379. I will short this, and my stop would be 407. Yo, I know code. Give me my money. I could see us coming back down to the 34, then bouncing back up. I think the trend is definitely up. I'm just trying to play a quick little dippy-do here. I heard there was a welcome bonus last year from My Fund Future where you get a 50K starter for $50. Yeah, they did. It was $48. Fuck. It was $48. Yep. They run deals randomly if you are buying your first account. They'll give you money. It's got to be your first account. Yeah, I was just playing a counter trends. I was hoping to just go for 77 to 64 and then back up. But this looks like the real deal. That's why it's always tell people to use a code. Always use a code. Code is where it's at. Oh, when I choose like my funded futures like that, I'll just hold. I just hold and I'm good. Woo-hoo! Not getting me today. I do think we go up though. I just ran out of drawdown because I bought 6 fucking contracts like a freaking degenerate. But if we didn't buy 6 contracts, I would still be in. That's the problem with going in too heavy. If I only bought 3, I would still be in that trade and back to almost even. Actually, that is the move. I back tested this, by the way. If you go up 25 points outside the 15-minute orb and come back down, there's like an 80% chance you bounce. That was it right there. I have a whole video I back tested one Saturday. I posted it. I still think we're going to go up. My bias is up. Come on. It's like, I understand you want to hang out here for a little bit, but come on. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yo, what up, Cards fan? I just used your code for Take Profit Cherry. Do you know if I only get a discount for the first account? No, as long as you use the code every time, you constantly get the discount. Also, because you bought now, also because you bought now, hold on one second. Oh, I didn't mean to buy. This isn't a 150 account. Fuck.
Order rejected.
I completely fucked that. My fucking fuck that so bad. I'm looking for my 150 accounts is really what I wanted. So stupid. Dude, I'm trying to get in for the pop, and I'm trying to grab my 150 accounts, and I'm trying to answer a question too at the same time. So because you did it now, you will get the 40% off. This is super close to resistance. We're at resistance right now. We are literally at resistance. See this blue line? That's the hourly trading, the first hourly trading range. We're at resistance. I mean, that's the best way to put it. I feel like we're flagging here. If we can break back over, I think you're going to see a nice run up. If we don't, we don't. I think the risk reward is there. I could easily sell out now for a game, but I'm not. I probably should. I normally do, but you guys always laugh at me for taking baby gains. This is what happens when I don't take baby gains. This is what happens. I was up 160 bucks. Watch them traded all the way back down to 293. How gross would that be? Dude, if they bring this all the way back down to 300, they're not getting me to do it. They're not getting me to do it. I still think we're going to go up. Come on. Don't trade back under here. How high do I think we go? If we can get and break out of here. Yeah, that's a pretty good idea, Marie. I just couldn't go. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't go short because I know if I go short, they're going to bounce it right here and I'm going to get hosed. And I know this. I know it. But if I just sit here, it will go down and I will watch it. I wanted to buy 5 accounts, but when I try buying my second account, it's going to regular price. No, Cards fan. Go buy the second account and put the coupon code in. Put Cove Trader in and then hit apply and it will work. If you want, you could message me on Discord and shoot me a screenshot of just that area and I can walk you through it, but it should not be regular price. Don't pay for anything. Go to where it says code. Never pay full price. Never pay full price. I'm so long biased, I hate it. Flip, to be honest with you, if you're down 530 and you feel the need to try to get it back, you should probably not trade anymore. Or how many do you normally trade? You normally trade what? 1 mini? Is that normally what you trade? Or what's the sizing that you normally trade? I would take your sizing and go down to like 1 micro. And so you still can feel, because I know you're new to this, so you can still make trades, but it's not going to make or break you for the day. It just keeps you in the market looking at certain setups that, and then you can kind of still get, you know, practice with some real money. Yeah. So if you're trading, I'm guessing you're trading micros. I would trade 1 micro. So you're still got your foot in the market but you're not going to make back the 530 most likely. But it still keeps your brain in the market and acknowledging kind of setups. But there is, you're probably not going to lose another couple bucks because you're only playing one micro. Oh, you trade crude? Yeah, dude. I don't know what I would probably trade, like, if you trade 5 normally, I would trade 1 and play that way. Oh, they're gonna stop me out here. You're losing the 34. They're gonna drop this. Marie, you're up. Marie, that's awesome. Awesome trade, Marie. I would trade 1 just so you still got your foot in the market, but you're not does crude look like this today? Oh, well, you got a little inverse head and shoulders here on crude. I never trade crude ever. What type of sizing is this? Well, according to news, is a short day. I was just looking at the chart. Kind of looks reversal-ish. Man, this price action is rough. This is rough. Why do I keep going along here? Come on. You're sitting right. Oh, it wicked right above the 9. Dude, they constantly want me to update my AMP account. Come on, give me a nice fucking push. Now you're long. Hopefully you got in. You're in. I mean, we're up. Let's go. Come on. I don't like that. I'm just being honest. I do not like that. Nice, J Stores. This price action is killing me. I was just up 300 and something bucks and didn't take it. This is why I take baby gains sometimes. I was up 300, didn't take it. Now I'm sitting here down 200. It's a $500 swing. Yo, I should do trailing stops. I'll tell you what, this breaks down. It's probably going down to either the 21 on the 5 or the 200. You should get it rather quickly, like within 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, I can see that, J Stores. I mean, I would think that this is ugly. So, dude, that was no bounce. That was no bounce. That's crazy. Holy shit. I'm lagging right into this thing. I got stopped out up here. I mean, I think it's just going to be rangy. I think we're going to come back down and then come back up. Just fucking price action is ridiculous. Oh, look at that. Dude, I'm going to eat. This thing's crazy, man. I'm going to eat. I'll be back at 2 p.m. I got to grab some food. I'm not trading any funded accounts. Just throwing it out there. This isn't the price action to be trading funded accounts in. So I would protect yourself. I think we're just gonna go. I wouldn't be surprised if we see 290 again and then come back. I'll be back though. Be back at 2 p.m. Peace.